Me updating the Daimler, totally bone dry inside. We got to Aldi's, no bother. It was -2, hardly any scraping at all. I found the back seats wet, so I've got it in the house drying out. That waffle type foam, I'm going to cut that away and then glue in some modern foam and then seal it in with plastic so as to keep it dry for the future. A good seat is a fortune, so that's not happening. It's nearly 1200 quid just for the cover set, front, top and bottom. So I've got my multimeter, I've got my wee electric pack. I'm going to jag 12 volts into the coil from somewhere that I find hot, 12. I've got HT leads from the Allegro, which are the exact same ones, and the distributor cap from my Allegro, which is the exact same one, and see if I can get it running today on brake clean. And then if I do, then I'll go away and get a couple of gallons of petrol, put it in it, and then that's it back in the road. If not, I'm doing a full ignition system rebuild, new coil, new distributor, plugs, leads, the lot, and I'll have to put in a new 12 volt feed for somewhere in case it's got a break in the loom. But that's just the way it goes, as I say. So see you soon with a video. Running super rich. Had to tie wrap the choke on because the choke cable's away. Snip all that off and then we start back with a bass tune. Running out of petrol, there's hardly any petrol in that, look. Anyway, a wee wiggle of the wires, a wee sniff of brake clean and off it went, cracked off. Oh, hood down motoring. Happy bunny. Smells okay. Sounds okay. Fuel gauge isn't working by the looks of things. These LED lights in, that really killed the alternator there. No tail lights. So that's me put petrol in it. Looks like the fuel gauge doesn't work. Temperature gauge doesn't work. Turn it off. Lock it in gear and then see if I can do a one-handed. The jackal style one-handed roof fix. So that goes in there like that. One there. There you are. The jackal. I'll do a wee walk around in it now. Seat belts. Got old fashioned fly handbrake. Needs a windy winder. It's broke off that side. Quite a big boot. See the old Morris Minor stay. No bad size boot in it. Big huge speakers in it. got locks about. Well, I would imagine it's the Morris style keys like that. Oh well. Now there's wee lock room. So that's what's wrong with here, the back window. Just a rubber bumper, American style ones, 5 mile an hour bumpers. So, happy bunny. Happy bunny. Car's home, VMG. Just get side lights to wire in. Do that tomorrow. Swap it in, bring the Daimler home. Got Daimler, the heating. Trying out the back seat.